Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the default font, font style, and font size in your Microsoft Outlook application. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab, and then you're going to go down and select Options on the left panel. On the left side, select Mail. On the right side, you're going to go where it says Use Stationery to change default fonts and styles, colors, and backgrounds. So select Stationery and Fonts. So you have a few different options here. If you wanted to change a custom theme, you could do that just by selecting the top option here. Otherwise, for the more purpose of today's tutorial, we can direct our attention down to the following two options here to adjust new mail messages as well as replying or forwarding messages. Third option too for composing and reading plain text messages as well. So by selecting the little font button that corresponds to whichever setting you want to modify, you're going to go ahead and select font, and then you can select the different font, style, size as well. Very similar settings you would see if you were modifying these options in Microsoft Word or Excel, except obviously we are in Outlook. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.